The house, when I think of it, is not just a shelter or a building. The building I think of as a sculpture. You have these two planes that are just floating on a glass wall system. And then you have this plane of a natural leathered surface that feels like it's terra firma. You know, it's from the earth, it's stone, it's soft, it's natural. Leather is very important to this project. When I think of leather, I don't think of it just as a material, I think of it as a concept. We have vegan leather ceilings. Then the leather concept continues down into the floors. All the floors are leathered, which it just feels good. You walk on it, it has a nice texture to it. It creates this level of depth and richness that you just don't see in a honed or a polished floor. And then the walls, for example, the walls that are encasing the master suite, those are leathered as well. And all these textures, and it's a very subtle interplay of light and feeling, and it gives a much richer, more tactile experience that we think is going to ultimately give the occupants a greater sense of comfort. There's so many things that we are doing and have conceived for this house to try to move it to that next level so that it was so special that I don't think I could explain them all off the top of my head. Every room you go into is like a new experience. Our whole goal here was to create something that was so special, not just another contemporary home. We want something that is going to create a memorable experience for the people living here, where they want to come home and they're constantly discovering new things so that the house can just continue to produce pleasure and surprise for the people